In this video, we're going to talk about this little screwdriver here by Fanttik. Now, this little screwdriver was sent to me by Fanttik for the purpose of the review, and I was quite curious to test it out. I do like doing a lot of screwing around at home, and I use this to screw together a piano stand and a bike as well that we had bought and needed to be put together. So a bunch of other little things too that I've used it for. And speaking to my experience, I have used other tools from major manufacturers. So I think I can give a pretty good perspective on this one. So the benefits of this guy are, first of all, it's got USB-C charging, so that's pretty neat. And it lasts a long time. I've not even needed to charge this guy, and it's still got quite a bit of battery left, so that's nice. It's got a light on the front, as you can see there. Right now it is unscrewing, and if you press this button here, it should go in the other direction and screw clockwise. What I think is pretty neat about it is it comes with a stand. Now, this is not a charging stand, but it's a good stand just to put the thing on. It's convenient, and it closes magnetically. So if I open it like that, it's going to reveal a whole bunch of bits in there. So those are the bits that come with it, and I've used a bunch of them. They work well, and I like the fact that they're held in magnetically. So it's nice and yeah, just tidy all the time. Got all your bits in there. They're held in magnetically, so even if you turn it upside down like that, they stay put. Super nice. Even the cover stays put as well because it's also magnetic. So that's nice. I do have a couple of complaints though about this guy. For the price, my number one complaint is it doesn't have a ton of torque. So you adjust it here. That's going down to 1, and it goes up to 6. So I feel like using this thing, it does not feel like it's got as much torque as some other tools that I've used. Not nearly as much. So this is just really kind of light duty, medium duty work. A lot of times I will screw something in. I had to, for example, screw in the screws on these chairs because they were getting loose over time, and this did not have enough torque to really get the screws tight. So you screw until it stops, and then have to kind of snug it up yourself by turning the screwdriver. So torque, in my opinion, on this guy, not great. This is really just for light, maybe medium duty use. And I have one other annoyance, and that is that switching the direction sometimes doesn't work with one button press. Sometimes you got to press it, like now, multiple times to get it to switch. I'm not really sure why that is. Doesn't happen all the time, but it's a little bit annoying. I'd say light, medium duty use, okay. It's relatively ergonomic, fits well in the hand. So for light duty use, okay. Everything else, I'd say maybe look in a different direction. So that's my review of the Fanttik L2 Pro, which comes in this nice box just like this. Thanks for watching the video. If it was helpful for you, hit the little helpful button down below. And until next time, I wish you a good day. Bye now.